What we're going to see here and test today is how do the new Alphacool Apex Stealth Fan perform on a radiator. So to just simulate a little the airflow and the options that you have while mounting this in your computer case. So let's get started. In the first video you have seen that this fan started spinning at 10% with 185 RPM, and that's the current speed we have here now. So let's go in some bigger steps like 5% to the maximum to see how the performance changes if we can feel something on this radiator. So let's go to 15%. You can see it even in the video that things changed, but I don't hear anything yet. Go to 20%. From my opinion, it's still noiseless. The RPM is 460 RPM. Go to 25%. I still can't hear anything. Okay, 30%. Now it's like 690 RPM. You can feel the airflow running even through the radiator, making some good airflow here. Go to 35%. 40. Yes, now I can hear the fan, and 40% is equal to something like 955 RPM. Now it's like very quiet, but you can hear it. Okay, go to 45%. 50. Yes, now it starts really spinning and making some wind already. 50% means 1200 RPM. Okay, let's go in bigger steps like 60 now. This is now kind of a fan. If you can hear it in the video, now it really started making good air pressure here. 70. This is giving some action. Yes. Oh, you can feel it even below the radiator. It's making really big pressure. 90. This is powerful. Really powerful. Okay, go to 100%. You can feel the wind. If it's hot in the summer, you can just use these fans to cool down your body or your room. This is making a really big wind. So this is 100% and it's running at 2248 RPM. So well, this is still the samples that we have here, not the final fan, but this is what's capable of if you use the Alphacool Apex Stealth Fan. The Alphacool Apex Stealth Fan looks so good on the radiator, and we're still looking for your comments, which color you like most. Like maybe on this radiator, if it's black, the black one looks great, but also the white one. And depending on your computer case, this would be definitely your choice. So if you say the blue one would be fit perfect, then give that in the comment section. And still we're waiting for enough people to give us some color wishes. So we are looking forward to also fulfill your dreams regarding this fan. If you subscribe to our channel, you will be updated with the latest news on this Alphacool Apex Stealth series. And you will have the chance to win one of these or be the first to purchase this in your country. So yes, let's stay connected until our next video. Goodbye.